Hi, welcome to my video on how to use frost protection on a Dimplex RF series. So this heater is set to home all day at 18 degrees and it will maintain an 18-degree temperature between 8 AM and 9 PM. If it's colder than 18 degrees, it will release heat and bring the temperature of the room up to 18. If it's warmer than 18 degrees, it won't release any heat. So the first thing to do is to press your menu button, and that gives you the main menu, and scroll down to modes. Then scroll down to frost protection, and then the preset frost protection setting is 7 degrees. It will now maintain a 7-degree temperature 24/7. To come out of frost protection mode, hit the menu again, and then go to mode and timer mode. And then select the one that you would like, home all day for this instant. And then you've got a nice big tick. So now we're set to 18 degrees from 8 AM to 9 PM. Frost protection might be quite good if you're going away from an undetermined amount of time and you're not sure when you're returning. But if you know when you're returning, it's much better to use timer mode away, and then you set your date and time of your return and pre-select your temperature, which you could put at 7 degrees or 10. But I've got a video on that, so if you'd like to check out the playlist and see what other videos I've got on the Quantum series, the RF and the non-RF series, that would be great. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, bye.